So this is the elbows of death technique. We're going to be using the weight of our body and not using the pointy part of our elbow, but the fleshy part of our elbow. And we're going to work from the base of the scapula or shoulder blade and moving up the 3 points, rocking in a nice rhythmic rocking motion for counts of 3. 1, 2, 3. And the key component is the wrist is very relaxed, not tensing up your forearm while you're using your elbows of death. Your feet are in a nice wide position, front knee is bent, your back leg is straight, the spine is neutral. Another thing that I visualize is when I breathe in, imagining Earth's energy coming up through my legs to help keep me grounded and to use the Earth's energy to help with healing.